Bayo sa mas minsan videoan ko itong mga bulaklak guys. Dami nila, iba't ibang kulay. Parang pangalan ng halaman na to ay santan ba? Kulay pink, yellow, at semi-pink. Dumaan na pusa guys. Wow, ganda talaga guys pag bulaklak. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video guys. Thank you very much.